A Volvo V60, and I'm going to show you how to lay down the rear seats in this vehicle. See the rear seats right there? I'm in the back of the vehicle. Before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, thanks a lot. So let's get started. So those are the back seats. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go around to the front seat and make sure the front seat is scooted up far enough so I can fold down the rear seats. All right, so I'm going to scoot this all the way up. All right, scoot that up or as much as I possibly can, maybe a little bit more, just like this, and then come back to the back. And then if you can see right here, this is how you unlock the seats. So you pull both of these up right here, and look at that. It comes down right there, and you have more cargo space in there. And then there's another one on this side. Just come up here, do the exact same thing, and voila. It folds down just like this. All right, let me know if you have any questions for more cargo space. Thanks a lot for watching.